Hey guys, the classic tech migration. Switching from Android to iPhone feels like moving houses. You excited about the upgrade, but the thought of losing your contacts? Nah, that's the modern day nightmare. Let's fix that. Method 1. Use Apple's Move to iOS app, the easiest official way. Go to your App Store or Google Play. Apple literally built an app for this. It's called Move to iOS. So type to Move to iOS, right? And it's available on Google Play. Download Move to iOS app, right? Yeah, I think it's called, yeah, not that one. Type just right here from Google, Move to iOS. Download it on your Android from the Play Store. Okay, on your iPhone, start the setup process until you reach the screen that says Apps and Data, and tap Move Data from Android. Right? On your Android, what you're gonna do? You're gonna open the app and tap Continue. Read and agree to the terms and conditions. On your iPhone, tap Continue too. You will see 6-digit or 10-digit code, right? Enter the code into your Android phone. Both phones will now connect directly via Wi-Fi direct. Select contacts and anything else you want like messages, photos, etc. Tap continue and let the transfer finish. Once done, finish setting up your iPhone and boom, all your contacts will appear in your contacts app. This method also moves messages, calendars, and even your Google accounts, which leads us to method 2. Sync via Google account, best for ongoing sync. If you've been using Google account for your on your Android, which let's be honest, you have, this one's nearly effortless. On your Android, make sure your contacts are synced to your Google account. So whether you're moving photos, right? If you're moving photos specifically, you're gonna go ahead to the Google Photos, right? And open settings, Google, backup, and then you're gonna find Google account data. And you're gonna find inside contacts, toggle it on to sync. Toggle it on to sync. On your iPhone, go to settings. And you're gonna find mail. Just type mail. Then hit account or mail account. Okay. And then you're gonna add account. And press Google. Sign in with the same Google account you use on Android. Make sure contacts are toggle. Contact toggle is on. Wait a few seconds. Open your contacts app. All your Android contacts are now synced with your iPhone. If you add new contacts to your Google account later, they will automatically appear on your iPhone too. Method 3. Export and import vCF file. Manual, but offline. If you want full control or don't want to use any app, the good old vCF trick works like magic. On your Android, open Contacts app, tap the 3-dot menu, import or export, and then export to or vCF file. Save that file to your downloads folder. Transfer the file on your to your iPhone via email. Just email it to yourself, or AirDrop if both devices support it, or cloud, Google Drive, Dropbox, etc. On your iPhone, open that vCF file, tap Add All Contacts. Instantly, they will appear in your iPhone's contact list. Method 4. Use SIM card transfer, the old school way. Still got that SIM card with all your contacts? Old, but gold method. On your Android, open Contacts, Manage Contacts, Export, and SIM card. Take out the SIM and insert it into your iPhone. On your iPhone, go to Settings, right? And then find Contacts. what you're gonna do, you're gonna import the SIM contacts. Wait a few seconds, they'll all import into your iPhone's contact list. This method only transfers names, numbers, no emails or photos. All right. Method 5, using third-party apps if all else fails. If none of the above fit your situation, or you want to move WhatsApp contacts to, you can use third-party tools like Mobile Trans app by Wondershare, or AnyTrans for iOS, or Synceos data transfer. They use your PC as a bridge. Plug both phones in, select contacts, and click transfer. Done. Just make sure you download from the official websites only. Always back up your contacts before transferring in case something goes sideways. After transfer, check for duplicate contacts using the built-in merge contacts option on iPhone. Once everything's synced, disable all accounts on Android to avoid confusion. TLDR, if you want fast and automatic, use Move to iOS app. Sync forever, use your Google account. Offline transfer, export as a VCF file. Old school style, use SIM card method. Extra control, use third-party tools. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.